In this video, I'm going to show you how to export contacts from Freshworks. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go on the left-hand side here, where you can see this Contacts tab and click on Contacts. And then in here, you'll be able to see all your contacts. Now, I've created 2 sample contacts for this tutorial over here. So to actually export them, you want to select the ones you want. So you could do as many as you want, or just select all by clicking the Select All button up here. Then you want to click on this Export button up top. And then here, you'll be able to basically select whatever you want to export. So you could just press a few things over here and select individual things you'd like to export, or just select all of it and click on the export button down at the bottom right. And then here it's going to say your export is being prepared. You can view the progress here, and you can just click on the here button over here. And as you can see, it's already done. I can just go ahead and see the details or get the export file by pressing download here, and I now have it on my computer. So that's how you export. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.